I was watching some training videos today, and I made this graffitied car. I saw it in a train station in Belgium. I thought it was a great message, so I recreated it. I also got back my couple of the King Ludwig cars, and now they have lights in them that are working. Got like one that kind of flickers on and off, and two that I just got back that work. So looks pretty good. Got 7 of those coaches now, and set's coming along. I got some other train cars. I got these train cars up on eBay. I showed that in the last video. I just put those on eBay today. Here comes the I bought that P10 for the look at the car. If you do a Google search for this, you'll see it on YouTube. They got a couple videos of it. The actual car that was in the Belgian station. It looks good. And I made this wall right here. Looks pretty great. I need to finish painting it, blending in the part of it. Here comes my cars. Looks good. Little view of the set. Looks good. These Kaiser cars are old, but they're really nice. Thanks for watching.